sorry enkonwa so yesi enkonwa se ya na afisam nko an ye de ba na ye de aba be dan wo na de de atrantwe o man Ghana mu ha na ye de ebra wa bedwafo nya sinkonwa dada medin Edilu Takin but Michael Akomianka Michael asarbo du so betenenka production no nas Nico Adaroma and watch it media de broko MCR jewo anim Sasuna Shadrach eho munyina boa amiri dwumadi na bro Fidaus mo boa amiri dwumadi no dia bro na sempen ye be pen puma sibre ye be remo crop bia kuma asante kotoko so far players out do bia kasa emwa omo boa tim ne diama tim no afa ne ntuma pafra ye be kwa heart of folk me no kasa former player bi watutu bi edi amane Togbe afed the 14th. Dian Sam no can a player baya and watching Sempina Michael Essien. Edia Tuja only Desa no Saka or Chelsea. Wedding Sempina de Abraham Ojmadian so now Friday. Shootout any Jumadia de Brono, a dear a dasso uko Facebooka, a Sompa TV Ghana, and also Sompa 93.1 Nina and the other search biano, Upenya show no life, no monitan watch like it, na share, what drink to the biada toa, Yabaji Brebeck and kind so at the amount. Na Jumakua Mopoya Chidom, I'm yet to be the shootout Jumadia at the Ababa Down, a Obo Bar and Medical Research Center. Or Boheba, a medical research center. The account Boheba Clinic, Adwatu Adamanu and Wamu Kumase. Now, or see, Jumasu Yanasom de Bibidro, and say adiem, or kidney problem, or diabetes, or hepatitis, or I want open, some problem free Berman and say Obanon, and watch it typhoid, or a osa, a crona boyam, Udi dia, now yam etutu, and Janito yama now yam edao, and one sober or Boheba Clinic, no dear be draw to a said amount, and what you know, a idea so con. Etayo ya obeda betu ani na madame konso na me kon ese obetu anu oto nkonu oda aso akwedi tofi bi aye modin ni nyina no so do ani bechem obo Herbal Clinic no metu ase edi ama wo high blood pressure ni nyina no mutu ase edi ama enu achi no chronic headache obo ani ti de bia ni ti dwa no ni ti pai no ene mi ti emija o kon betu ase edi ama ado to odamanu last stop Omani soft mammy no ton kenki no newa any deal muchem from 0257 472 506 0249 761 508 and 0550 191 514 Ofrelma ombejo sunan komo bia no ono ma dina bibia aye kama na no chi drink ne ba ko pe miso fruit drink drink papa enunti jebe no miso jebe no ama drink na unu se miso fruit drink drink papa ninyina ne se miso fruit drink drink amanse jatum ese so nya binuma ebebo pa drink bia wiase nyina no omkenkon enya miso fruit drink enunti edu adansa kan fama se nuaba na afrim no nyabi nanonom emwanwoden emruafonom enkokrafonom apemfonom obianu bu ye kramoni o ye hwan miso na program biase ye servo na misa 5G wonantia no wabre saso asrade ados woni paduanom ni nyina no so ye adumaden a wo de misa 5G guarana wo grapes ne ye na ginseng green tea enunti namba na mdi betu dwa no ofra babia obia no Dr. Silas mo ebe brobi na swetima ton ene drinks and crofton enya mfaso bebre drinks and program biase edi atrantwe misa 5G and miso fruit drink enunti fresh 0246 270221 0246 270221 ofra yebejo so na babia obiano yedibia bromranten mobile na mountain so ushoma no atobi manager Daniel 21st clinic overseas okwa obenya biato be kind supermarket eso sister abawa post office and manji sister sewano no mama Esther wa dumne asumjo junction Ultra Baptist University abuakwa obehu no PNC Lee Ventures and man taxi station on the Charity Hospital Junction and the Dianushem and Uram Swan a search enterprise or as for being 20 VIP car park and the Dianushem and to court now call you Bianya Kama. Your 21st clinic expert in sciatica. Wow, sciatic nerves, you know, edge Joe was sciatic nerves, you know, to Funan Coco, one two, Elco to say, Wachiri Bram, Wachiri Kase, Ujon Ko Dawana, say to a show, a Bobo Brina, say, sciatica now, 21st clinic Adaroma, Okome to a said Yaman, Omsebra, na Omo Empamo Yadin Fini Pedian Munajo home, Nina say, Yanunqua, or Yadia Piano Qua, Omobesa Edyaman, Debi draw and I say, dear, no more than 15 branches, I will gun her baby Kobiano, doctors and nurses, or my penny, their crow, Ebed Joe Swassa, Yadia Diamam, a bonus of the form, now more call center. Call Biane Becorone Cosia, Nanwachino call Ayarasabion Omotrovia, Omusafro, Nomabusao, or buy a new net the same, or some year full up Panomaye. Nanampa 0540 311 0540 311 Kuma some more travel overseas. Alpha Radio Junction also and Alpha Radio in Chenwa. Sasuna Pimo Accra, Omo Ewa Domi Market or Bossy Omo Council Quarters, Court Junction, and Sunyan and Kranza Wenchi, Goso, Tetchman, Cape Coast, Takrade, Kofordia, when you have been woman, and from when. Na kwaje ayarasana bibia enye kama 0540 311 311 eno edietem abe herbal clinic mami abe ese brabaja ayarasa abe herbal clinic se nyame na no so yi nkonya ese yade wode na syphilis wode no prostate cancer low sperm count hunsuo na gene entimi enyim oba obama ne bemakra sorry na so entime nyem oba gonorrhea diabetes etware na wabusuanom malaria stomach ulcer menstrual disorders penis enlargement sexual weakness bema de unisika oso sisimu ya dene unisika na sisimu omrede awasema yeseta wisie enya osemasa udu sisi fom ewa brabonum sade emu biade na mu no yade na mu saa adbanamu if is scanning wa o see sisimu ya dene ne nyina so be kwa be ho na obetwa ma be kama na adeba kwa wiase wodam bofu asronko anyina no say sickle cells ono nkwa ne timitu ase awoyi bayan so tutoi ankrofo tutuo se bani akoda na yeso yensuo ba okowa ni nyina na obetwe ede ama wota no so patrapa nim side obe patrapa janse freno e won number 0243 34 5392 0506 460208 offer no bejo suna nkomo bia no woni na dina yare mu ayaresa wa kwa akonyina bia kama na Friday edru Friday say dia the Don Kinetic the Don man and IGP and me ankasa me brother ye frel ASP David Kwabena Juma terrible no mo monitor Juma die na bia nya kama Fridays there na no ma ye kama pa na yemfa nsema wodo ayabobo ano no emfa engu form dankwe heart to folk former player na odin sebia tudwa edi afa togbe afede ho na wakeka bi pa yente nsema dankwe edi tudwa
Say kana o se sa o your business that's anymore say o se sa wonyo say kana o se sa say o business na o ya no one o se kana I say o de we keke ko su a esu ni jina keke ko a era na why apart from le and I say house of folk news or Ghana news because ko je le news because league in the beyond the senior 2000 you Champions League Confederation Genia the senior Yimba Samba with Mamelodi Sundowns and with Eliale Mo Aga every year we are so focused pre Champions League Confederation to say your time now and I will say who you well because beating which you know right you Champions League Confederation for 10 years how many years now we say as a group I was competitive with international games and I say we an American
eno ensema Oriya Freno Dankwe former Hearts of Folk defender so editu just say oh say adwuma na your Hearts of Folk no oboka no onyam faso dia on fam to no oba den waye ya ka omfi mama tim no wo sai eno ye Dankwe ni de no na Salif Ibrahim Di Maria so akasa Hearts of Folk say coach sasasa no enya de say eboa yente nchirimo de mai
football and Casanse coaches and Yana and by sometimes we and say oh coach football coach say changing sometimes Yana and your goodbye team there Yana sometimes no more kuya so change coach because players is really coach and good environment na on man say from coach no Yana and by football no say Yana in the football and Casanse coaches and Yana and by sometimes we and say oh
eno ye nsema Salif Ibrahim Di Maria esuri tuga na player friend Otanga so akasa about Hearts of Folk performance yenti do kafa.
Seriously I don't know how I can say for the issue because we try to do all when we play. If you see the how we play our game, we don't know what is the problem. We create the occasion for the score the game, but the chance, but the score is not coming. We don't know. So I can say we don't have the luck. We don't have luck. We don't have luck. I know it's normal if the fan is not be happy. It's normal because when you play with the team like Hearts of Folk, you have to perform. You have to win the game for them. So when we don't score, we don't win. The winning is not coming. Is very bad for the supporters, for us, and for the team.
Hearts of Folk team so bonus a winning ma na very bad at the moment players and supporters and omoma keka nyina na no chinenwa mu Asante Kotoko goalkeeper Ibrahim Danlad eso akasa de ama Kotoko team no sese no ma nyina ekọ nanim.
You have passion for the job, have passion for each other. And I think when you work as a team, it really helps you to motivate each other, correct mistakes in a good faith. At the same time, I think it's positive, when even you have good relationship with each other, it really helps you to get, confidence, everything. So I think with our happiness, the passion that we have for each other, and the good wills that we have for each other,
eno ayenchiremu a Danlad Ibrahim eso edemaye ese akumapa no odo a omunyina wo edema omo ho no eka obi na makotoko no masesa se omo kon ekọ manim no na owura bako no se goalkeeper ma Asante Kotoko Reverend Frederick Asare eso ekasa about ne performance ho so far said the normal ekọ edman wa Asante Kotoko.
We're playing Emirates and keeping six clean sheets. I think it's okay, but I'm not content with that. Considering some kind of matches that I could have even
made better saves.
Yeah. As a footballer, always you have to take criticism in good faith because they also come to watch you, and you have also set a standard for yourself that if you are not able to meet that standard, I think that they will be always disappointed. So for me, I accepted it.
And we Sama Kotoko goalkeeper Reverend Frederick Asare eso edituga obi na ebuza nse Kotoko mu goalkeeping department in a competition say any city.
And with the bond that we have, even you can testify to it that we have two good pensioners, and they are doing very well to bring us together. And all I can say is Danlad, Ibrahim, and Maurice Partey, and Fatao, they are all professionals. They are all good guys. Whether playing or not playing, we always stick together. We try to encourage each other. Whoever gets the nuts to play, at least we talk to each other to better ourselves and also to raise the flag of the team high. It's not always about personal interest, but sometimes it's about the club. You have to always put the club before. So I think that is keeping us going.
I know summer goalkeeper Frederick Asari the tuja about Kotoko goalkeeping department about the goalkeepers competition and said yes it na nochina Nuruddin Yusuf a defender Edima Asante Kotoko na wasan nesini never say Nuruddin compare na first combine nursing any football no.
Thank God for our lives and at Kotoko. Actually, like I said, I always try to put my maximum best, but we are the right people to, or the technical team, they will look up to if I'm up to the standard. But probably each and every day, I always try to put my maximum best, and then the big men over there, like the Black Star coaches, maybe if the need arises, then I'll be given that opportunity. Actually, I haven't switched. I'm still practicing alongside this. Though I was at Tamale, but now I'm trying to, they're working on my transfer back to Kumasi. It's not about me per se, it's about the club. So we always try to put the club at the highest level.
Nina say ono oye jumana nese no onyaye no Tamale ne se Kumasi na omo ye ne transfer mo adwuma na se obokotokwa na osan ehwa yarefo no obo ma bibia ye kama ene Kotoko defender ye fe Nuruddin Yusuf nensem eso eno no Sunday MTN FA Cup Gold Stars our dance park ene Asante Kotoko eso ene de ebepim so 3 p.m. and asa game no ebeba so ntia mo hye so edeme Sunday our dance park Babiani Gold Stars and Kotoko and your MTN FA Cup. Dear no your Ramo Ria Tamale United and Medema Obakaya Nano Wednesday and an outstanding league gamer a toja between Real Tamale United and Medema. A game the Banana Real Tamale United. Asha Medema Kabakwa or more antimi ante. And Nuna first half Rubana Real Tamale United supporters and so much Thomas ye. I dare some to tune soon and Noma Bebre. Abo match officials now Pimo Ghana Football Association Executive Council now with immediate effect almost say omo abane Aliu Mama Sports Stadium baby Real Tamale United omusoma cars the home venue no omo edomo nsa to so na no chino omo sign catch Real Tamale United for so omo regional police command ewo Tamale na omo supporters sanu no omo arrest omo said omo sha IGP bo eso betuma wuram am yetimi ache omo no ebi so omo duty is to protect lives ebekwa go prama bia so say supporter say match official say footballer obia no so omo bo on ho ban eno ye so far thereby say empanyimfo edit tabuato RTU for so eno ede fro eba ye de emam e odwumadie no so na ukopema yamfa nto anim ese yemhwe Black Stars kakra na Black Stars the 3 training no eso etimi ekọ so ewo Nations FC home ground ana home venue Dr. Kwame Sports Complex na Abromo free Golden Bean ekọ no na bus no na atimi se kwa no ekwa ne de no kwani nyame anim no nura nso toye no na nebem omo fa so omo beto omo kakra deda unit team a o feel nyuma o bona no gam no na se omo te bus no de fu nyanya kama pa na mum ebiso browser na mum kwane de on se wan kosko ankyere se broni ba hu no se kwane de enye kwanu ntutuo no doso dodo semenyo so neto a ono so aye din enu Black Stars no na na Abrante Nyaki Williams said the two anim said Thursday na beba ofo be jano kwam na ba no odidam om jano kwanra na ukopem Golden Bina na Abrante Nyaki Williams etimbama Aminu Sado the team manager Edma the Black Stars of Ghana Shadow waye kese papa waye kese ne bibia enti ene owo kame Nyaki Williams as the team manager Emma na kwaba waba okoni room was say yes my ba me no me ba be ya adwuma eno Nyaki Williams eno de tia de Emma na Michael Essien esu ni days for Chelsea Essien Paco akasa kakra de afa ho de akirenten sema Michael Essien edituga.
My dream is to play in the Premier League. And when the opportunity came, I jumped on it, and it was great to represent Ghana in the Premier League. It was a big transfer at the time. The ones who don't know you will always question that does it worth the money? But at the end of the day, it was up to me to show it. And also, of course, it was Mourinho at the time, so he gave me all the confidence. It was very physical at the time, and that was part of my football. It was not difficult for me to adapt, and I showed that quickly. The fans fell in love with me, and the rest was a history. It's always a big question.
Hey, Emra Bakopa, Emra Bertramu Kopa Papa, Aquawi, Michael Essien. Kai the days for Chelsea and yes and name Crawford cross support to Chelsea and omo ferry na omo tete high and the Chelsea bebo ball crana man for yam sisu omo ne Chelsea fan power fia etimi sise bet e kase ye be Chelsea ya no an say na amen Chelsea Satam Derby akomateko amna akantwa ho na jedi wie kura wa fise mu no the late Papako soccer Bob Marley no wadan bonkum sanura wo Baba Yara Heroes Park ena na otweda no empanyimfo etimi ede hyehyɛ so sade amamre ne amane ese no na ne na otweda no no ena Charles Opon ediadanse kansem bi efa the late Papako ho
Mebeka say talented player na obobo ye pa odi akotene ewo Asante Kotokom and Black Stars na menen na wo Black Stars na me ba Kotoko na mbesa mi hu say oyonipa na fence so no obobo ye pa
na as a captain no na ni suban ti say sana na no kam nyina mobo ma wo Kotoko.
Yeah, the captainship leadership no not to say and it's very good. Tama opoku afri eni ho no papa ko be captain na to say olidi team no say no opoku afri eja no ho no sanso na papa ko so to aso. Now he was a very good captain, calm on the field and outspoken when there's something going wrong. Well, you are spoken pa
it di pa ben pa ni ahore no
Yashre enipa as a person, Yashre no as a captain, Yashre no as a leader. Now, in all these situations, Papa kono yeni papa, we very humble. Now, fence no, Ghana shre eni papa, papa because if we say na the same kind, odi akotini ye.
And you and some Charles Opon. Ekaye edifa delete Papa Akon soccer Bob Marley ho na ye no nhyehyɛ ne sɛ ye di na otweda ne nra na on the 13th of March 16th of March and a 17th and omo ebe na ye no na sere mpanyimfo ye no omo ebe biu ewukumase na ofriman kasim ninti no na omo akọ edede aka nyina no so akoto aso ewo ho Michael Akumia the sports messiah atena se Sasuna Asaribodu ewa mi dia di Luther King Nas and a produce show no. Mizaya
Luther. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Boko dear.
Boko na also e.
You krem.
Ma yenche etifo ni ahwefo nyina. And you realize one particular day me realize the importance of how as on mine I was it me keep track videos and then you maybe about players be on mabesi akande amai. Yami enim no kre. Luther, the kind of people I mean who know Papa ko yi na ase no. Ejemi nsem.
Sir.
No. Ejemi nsem. To be very honest.
Ade.
And the parodo na me hu omo Papa ko yi na ase no. Enye ene mambo fo na say 2000s and I be a late 90s for no.
Omo ye football shas ye betete omudin.
na debia ya kasa about the important aspect of keeping track record of every single thing that you keep players ni bi and players ni bi omobo teams ni bi omobo ye dey ato that chi bi ni nchiriba bi ba na se ebu player bi din a otimi ka say we no ni bo ni bo pa o no ya ade pa o what did they mention us?
Oh yeah.
And then you can say Di Stefano is ya kind of Madrid come fast so the ball sitting on as soon as you know bentin bon the ball utimi ko Di Stefano video no one who na they atoto ho and them about for mubo no aka say and the question we need Di Stefano ball ne bon ho but Di Stefano ball na no ball na no edin die ti ne timi bu nkompo ko ya chi ni akwa ko hwese George best video ni kwa no fa so say bobo ne ene den si na na etie
okay
ba ye ha no opa kiemientum na busa nipa dodo omo ni opportunity ahwe papa akobo
adansi ombedi
omo mbe fra ombedi adansi ne omo amu siso anomo 80s 83 84 85 86 free 95 96 97 92 93 for no kra ba no kra kakra no e very difficult
edin ya bete na kenkan ya kan but yenya video to substantiate it
no experience no Luther me personally me value ni because me ma help papa
yeah
at the peak of affairs what did they mention as no when your opportunity you have papa
dabi
itika ye kasa say na ka video bi da
actually na nkada na omo ba no ehun nipa na ye kana asem no di ntia na ye fe ne soccer Bob Marley oba no ma won so say the height bi lo yeah
obi an ni bedi nkomo bi aka cho say papa ko ball na no ball no e on a different level different level top and yet players in keto na make us omo ka papa ko asem o these are players who are living legends ye two omo anase de omo si wono mo a ye de omo si abeti for example Pokunti
yeah
Lord of the Green Turf what your nickname no Lord of the Green Turf masa let's born Pokunti no ni boba
oh yes
pa yes no ni bokenku
obebo aboni yeso
Pokunti no ni boba what I say professionals e bi eduru mre bi no no mo timi ba okromo atukwan ye no Pokunti was there. And why ya saso abeti academy nyina wo
yeah
e won kura nkete won mo satete o mo ma bi so ye clubs no so asenya bi so fa so na ubisa no fa papa ko ho na o catch say papa ko was an exceptional footballer, an exceptional captain. Luther ashime papa someone for many
ahwe
kenne ke bi anka video bi o ba bi a ka mahunu papa ko level. Papa ko ball from Kotoko to Blasters. Charles Opon not about you. I'm not about Kruma, Charles Opon no cannot see. And Charles Opon you be or Tina Kotoko Chebe baby. Tise Pokunti no Motina Kotoko Che. Maile, Kwesiapia.
Yeah.
Or Motina Kotoko Che. George Kennedy, or Motina Kotoko Che. Charles Opon Tina Che Bibrisa, but Tina Nancy Udifano. And I met a certain man yesterday, and I don't know catch my office. Me na me da won say friend no adwadwe na ono no ke ne modern day a the one describing it to me no say ko Antonio Rudiger
basa
but ono ne de no omo as center back obo as full back right
back
na nka the video no ha ka beti asema nko kan o say o dead one no do aba nche no asu to be na
satara tamale calendar park bo
na oba ono ne hanki no fa money so fa money sase mbodukom
hey dia wo
na okasana na buza na say then was the year my former fans near the end say papa ko no say papa ko no a different player kura.
Wow,
that is the statement he used to. O say papa ko no a different
no dey no be boy na chi.
O say papa ko a different player. That is how the guest scenario papa ko a different player kura. A different player. Different. Bema nsu abokotoko. Wabo akọ Blasters. Papa ko edumre bi na Blasters na amafo di na chi de ba akotoko. Obu won mo so mo so papa ko bokotoko e ko Blasters campus e ti bi akotoko no bi ama be dey. Mebo. Bema nsu had stayed in US for 40 good years and moreover. You need to know why. Man. Ghana, we need to do better in terms of your legends here. I know more put archives in place. No. Very much.
But me nakakra.
Papa, Bonibia, you know, Minoko, national team blaster 79 to 80. Na mineda impado. Bonibia, you are Maso American American more. My America almost 40 years. Intimate me, but today, walk a baby and I'm saying, come be at North American. Meba, the Maso na Muslim problem before Takwa, Muslim minister so or walk a baby. Takwa, you see, Sieno, I'm saying, come be at North Madame Yadan, Meba, Papa, Tibia, the baby, I know, Madame Papa.
Now, Papa was a captain for Kumasi Asante Koroko. Now, what is saying, none of what is saying, I would know.
Oh, superb. Oh, yeah, the Papa. As a captain, no ball or bono, or near baller, oh, yeah, no, oh, super player. It's minable baller, no, yes, super, yes, yeah.
What I say?
That's what he
Super.
Look at their description of Papako.
Super.
As a player, super. George, any 80s. George, Papako Ambo.
Dabi.
What I say? But Ushe Omo. Now, share the NT as some of them were driven to come and play for Kotokwa. No, there is. And I talk about.
Okay.
Now you see Salam, or we are singing as this. You see, he's an embodiment where George.
Yenti Josu kakra.
Ijuma Ghana hapa wiaseme nyina ehu de pako be Ghana soccer na hwe na ye de ekoso no me ko abom ntia so de me hu ni se ye ni dane de ebe nwanwa e de pako de nyame amfa ne kra ensie yi na megina press nyan ada Ghana ma nyina ase enmonyem a e de ahye papa ko ntimi do bibia ase.
This is a proper tribute from players who have seen it all.
To say, ex-footballers are about power.
Now, one way, ex-footballers in Iran here, you know. Well, they give me an example. Mike, your tire legend say you Kumasi, if you could help me. Oh, typical club legend be our free more ultimately say. Or more we are the leaders of or more association, no. Or more fair, you know. Ti say enwanya busuafo na di animu no ma bebre hu
ayo ono ani playmates no ene omo a
luta itu visa nka papa ko bobo ni nyina no ko nye ni papa
because the okay na meto na wosin bi agumi say eya omo hwe ene ya football na on be di ya bi omumu
luta omo di ya
come because ya be bobo na gu
enra I loved one thing oh we ba was Charles Oponie.
Okay, watch
especially Musawa look at her phone line.
FA president so buy a kit.
FA president so buy a kit.
As a kit, nama.
Oh, Momu dear Chirijiano.
Maeli.
Then John Bannerman. Oh,
Dr. Kwame
Chisu.
Okay.
Now, John Bannerman. Na many poku tin komo na this Alan Cash no so obi
afrafranto
yes Subin constituency Eugene Boache honorable no so the kind of crowd and the people I saw there Koroko Legends ni bebre kwampo ntimi amma because e bi o match on say club na say whole players na ntimi amma because of the FA Cup game no mo no what did they mention as no. So, utie do watch us here idano. Wan hu ni ya and Mike, enya ha ne be bo bi ntwobom, but the kind of country where John Bannerman on the crossing ball for the winning goal for Pukunti for Kotoko, winning the 1983 African Champions League. John Bannerman, one of the best wingers on Maba game. Yentine kakra.
Intelligent player, one of the best midfielders in Ghana. Midfield, on a working rate in midfield, tackling ability, and offensive, are very good.
Now, on your captain, so Olivia say captain via the everyone more Musuba and Efe, but now have a Papua, captain of the team, the Senala basically as I describe it.
As a Papua as a captain, and no more protocol. Team 82, no protocol, the best squad, more than the 83. But no football field or a captain. But of course, House of Folk 83, no Papa Kubaye, Captain 83, Papa Kubano, or Caplesi Yaku, or Yubia, no, or Yabia Wakuma, all the time, or no Bia free, or no Bia, or Captain Bia of Benoas.
This is Papa. This is Papa. Rita. Papa. Me sure say ya papa no. Ene empanyifo bi omodi anim kan mo hwe no. Will bear witness to some of these things are you. It takes a lot. But there me ya. Kasamri ke ka papa ko asemi. Na ka papa ko video. Kwana na ofa so si na kan. Na daso. Na ke daso. Said be ya nchirima na omo no. Omo say ahemfo chinie.
Ebidi dabiachi.
These were good players. Bannerman. Now Luther was going to Bannerman.
Oh.
These are good players who are describing an exceptional player. We said we City Bomber Kotokoje, a bomber Black Stars at some point in time. No? Luther, Kemi Senke, a man a former player. By now, Hall of Fame.
Oh, yes.
Hall of Fame. Nankani more. There are some of the players in the cramp bimu by a crampa and me and Fay and Yan day. And come of us in Agada Kotina baby Faco, Kitty and Hini, Sister Midi and Hini. The level of contribution for even the 1 week.
How come here? Medasi. That's it.
I'm really happy.
Michael, Akumia response me and out in a canon. I mean, Mickey. My hand.
And come out with the nano. And a tintin in the titia, man, say, Opese, Unya, and Tiasion, Yakasa Dimpa, Yasia, Unya dia, and your worchi. Otiasia, you will enjoy moments of the Papa we were Bob Brow, Papa we were SAU, but uwa echireno. And when they demonstrate enough, na a give you credence to the sayings Dimpa Ayasia Hunyade. I think to it a good name is better than riches. Good. The eka wa Papa kuni na ne semo mukani na no. You see, akomi otuwe. The new fees as Obesha Papako.
Yeah.
But he has been able to eulogize him using memories. A man for no more years memories no. Or more apprented ya to trim. So he's able to relive it. To say they no all kind of pepe. So in as much as he did not really live, and I say he did not enjoy Papako's playing days, he's here reliving Papako's playing days. And new worchi. So I think we can draw inspiration from all these things. Uwechi diani ebeka, uwechi diani ebesi. Me sure say obi na obejuna aka say Papako si abonsami ensa. Ana otokase 9. Ana oye say nobody has even mentioned that. The omo kani na na ye dear. Nyankopon achede ode man no. De ode beye wa asase so. Ekwan ofa so ma ebi mo sere. Ekwan ofa so enya nipa ho do, ni nua ho do. So Papako related to the teammate no sees to it that as leader and our captain no obia needs no will be well catered for. Then Park Nankasa Swa or Bobo no so he played exemplary. A idea boy no boy no. A dear dance me or more and chenny or more money bono obie ni jen ho. Me nim dia ye wo to asase so se brabe but the car se brabe no ye di dua wu no se wo ka se wo yi wakomem na wa ye no wa ye ni ye. These are the same memories you live with people.
Yeah.
Na okasa uko unia mwa unya huda. These are the memories you live with them. Itianye we gidi bia. You see, your prayer ho ye higher ho is good. You need to be established to some point. It was a wunya certain material wealth. It was a wunya certain properties near there. But no, and your properties no. Maintain no legacy. Nobody talks about Maradona's money or houses or whatever. We talk about Maradona's God-given talent and idea or the yeah. Nobody talks about Pelé. Say Pelé jiskase what you say. No, we talk about Pelé and the memories he left. The same common it will revolve around it. He might not be the richest Asante Kotoko ex-player, and not the richest Asante Kotoko ex-captain. But then they are body and not because of the riches, but because of how rich a legacy he left. As I say, that's why I want to. Yes, you see a bit pre and the aboy in ya. Nafe a year the memories are ye jar to one, and kai dear ye be jar to one, and your dear. Nipa bodin esre na nya de nipa bodin na o matwe anase o maye tofe akwa anase o maye bibi. Let us do that. Yeah. Utietia onua na mfaso ni so we emphasize yeah. It is
because they all can no sabe enyo no nkwa ne kotoko ex player sabe wadan bonkum so
dabi
but 1 week no come here kwese bibi sonko
se onyuma se ne na esitie no eno na be kire se ne aketua no so be ana ye wabomu no na kire wado we no eye de obeye no enho reaction na edom no so e de air no, and that is the beautiful memories he left behind. Enti se dimpa eyesi ahonya uwe kire no eno na be determine.
Okay.
Yeah, discuss with the dimpa ayesi ahonya uwe kire no e de embio then the see then the buy. That is basically what it is. So you bet me I draw lessons from it.
Okay.
Oh, share the course. Somebody might even make a mistake and call this a funeral. And you'll be a year full scale. The course will be a year full scale. A year no peak time, prime time, not cars and a dominant.
Okasa, one can ye. We cry is sick and need brim pombi or any biancasa.
I'm so be a year full scale. So
a year be walk we chamber Ukraine
into a bobra. There are people who leave behind properties. A Japan, the estate, a redini, a cassie, who's a more dupa. But new word, you know, the legacy he left behind near the end. A Japadeni in Ashe. So Dimpano, true. Yes, the GFA has brought a release. Say, Omabane Tamale,
Alumama,
a stadium, no, indefinitely. Na eno ye limited to RTU, but facility ne there. Other teams will use no bet me use. Ni ne depending on RTU ni omo mo kokoye ya. Anka me ye share fi as e there. Anka temali di o magia nanka positive nko a o.
Ade.
Lady on weduani, chef filer. Any ne cook atoni. It has brought a positive image to not just Tamale, the Northern Enclave, and then even to Ghana. And think the good news now started from that end. And I don't know if coming business or much delivery.
Yes, if you know was being coffee. And I'm there
is one guy I call Le Nemat. I don't know that. Into no so I am almost having a breakfast. Cameras in the so or the lunch, cameras in the so or the supper, cameras in the so. Menyesho said the guy has enjoyed spotlights when life muda.
Wow.
But you see, anti-anchor positive vibes and kuana temale omu uzi.
Oh yeah.
Omu uzi positive vibes. If you gusa na share the sebe. Ya no mukoko ye.
Narrate you for.
At the end of the day, player na Ojina Park so bring emoji ni team fifre all ball so be winning no ono na ne ho ache no enti okotre de wakwa akodi moko no why na ne ho ache no why ya
it's a club no
apocheni players ne na ebre coach ne na ebre because coach ne ball at the comfort of home venue it helps them and Lion ne doubt about they said it so bo fear there is something special.
Oh yes.
That crowd or two nanim to ka say so ogun supporters na come na ba because na grown a pension. So you footballer now bo within the comfort of a home venue the fans are there they are cheering you on. Are there an extra motivation incentivize so my work count who are parking so. Now yabani or momuntimi more. The players need to travel. Maybe distance combat travel no and you're favorable already. After you buy away games are ayana ne kwan wapa.
Oh yes.
And yes also baneno from playing at only favorite venue. Ne kwan no ebewa double. So the burden goes to the players. But any players ne koye sa.
Say almost the original police command.
Any players ne koye we.
There be supporters.
Good. And the supporters no mo koye no what happens to them? It goes back to the same old conversation I know have here a community subi. That was I think 2 days ago.
About point deduction.
The sanctions, not just point deduction. Sanctions are so triable de ma sabe omo disa ensem hunu say no. Den na ye de ye omo.
Say so omo say omo mwa na police no entimi arrest omo.
Fine case. Fine asem na there. In the last year. Okay, 2024. So it's too early. Yanko last year 2023. There were several assault or attack cases in Ghana Premier League name. Releases or publications were made. Yes, say we are working together with security to arrest the perpetrators. Why now we see a channel? Ya de nako court mpo na ya de nako ya chene keke. Mcheme ba mame ba ko.
Any bofakwa. Gan credit no call court no mo sa join case no no.
And akwesi saying.
You be anti one same be.
So the point is that we are still applying a kid gloves approach to Sanyoma way, and we will not solve it in there solving it China. Quite a fast tackle issues like this. No? Yes, solving in there solving it China. Sabe, obi fan chemi minim dia way. But I say a crone too, nemu a crone more a deep. Oh, sorry, I work of a plaster their farms or their sour account. Also, me treat a chrono. And no a palliative measure. But the real a crony here no say me a crony in a treaty with the right medication. The issue that has bedeviled us, hoodlums. Excuse me to say, Sebe. In Kophobia or Modia to a Mutrim say, in some no mubedi. Into stadium no okono. That is the mindset.
And yeah, administrators in encourage
Bishop Nareti issue be kase oni no koye sa no. You know shout to you Jason. Or try that the weekend before. Kase omoba betwaso. That was Mediama at Karela. Sali pano koye sa no. Or ye be before. I know sounds to be repeated. Why not twice? Difference we say we no. They aimed projectiles at match officials, maybe couple match commissioner now gaining nationwide attention. But the audience can hear and the afemko
on a general swing.
Exactly. And Obian to me yana she because Obian she.
Sentinel make say ye football administrators now. A factor.
Football why?
Ye football administrators now.
Say clubs now.
Clubs no, sorry, clubs no.
No.
Because they always protect them.
Protect why? Leadership. If the FA as it stands now, a part of Keto Kraku's manifesto, said they will set up special policing unit, match venues to deal with issues like this. In Tinkawa, yes, near Duao, near the Washe mobile police station I are creating. And then we fast track your transport to Ebia, the nearest police station. Near dealing with the case. Simple. Fe. And our people dekama. Making sure say we are able to bring it to reality, no abe issue. Yentuminye. And day in, day out, week in, week out. If hoodlums get the least chance, they go on and then engage in act like this. And indefinite home ban for a venue, it does not curb hooliganism. Yembani venue and fan tackle hooliganism. You can ban the venue as an addition to other sanctions. Sanctions, no, you deal with the perpetrators. Why am I and your club and a koye, ni pepi na koye. And to Liverpool supporters nibi and dinya ransom. Liverpool will be punished, one, but the supporters will be fished out and dealt with individually.
I think one supporter now fistance in Betia. Tottenham was per player.
Yeah. Oma you shall not deal
with you. Oma you never man bound.
Stand now support any free mobile. Ya banning money in Mumbai Stadium. Deal with individuals who commit such acts, and only the flashy hooligans out of the system. Because a nipa 100 na mienu na beye. So if you stop the 100, omube free 100 nim akko into another group and they will go and do the same thing. Yeah. So you can't keep banning groups. You can't keep making institutions. You can't keep making edifices suffer for the irresponsible behavior. I understand day. Meme was Sompa. Na me de Sompa edin akko di sebe chronosem. What happens? You stop Sompa from operating. You fish me out, you deal with me. So fish out these hooligans, deal with them. Oh yeah. Then you come to the club administrators. The best way to deal with them, one, make Kasiana and Kasa before so be finding Omuska Krano. To your point. I didn't know yes, they do these things. Club administrators, not all of them. Omoko share akomiani ni anumochi. No ma beki kema yedede.
Mate kwaku papa pokusumra mu kakra. Papa
na fe ne ba be say na you be say no be say. First and foremost, you must be swift and quick. Ade we see that way.
Wednesday.
And that way.
Na Friday.
In short time dey ni see that way. Kwesiada. Jwara no pa na 2 stadium. Ni bo mo ngase bo. Tawale City ni Adriana na see that way. Look, you see, Amaye ade, but it's reactionary. Unuma de Krontia.
Dabi.
Jiwa apia. Moti ni interview no grant was nyan.
Dabi.
Or say GF ni nyai selective justice. Eno ye nra o. Adenti e na bro class ni bibia. Sisi anoma pan show. Now ITU we reference this very issue.
And it might happen because it be a paid interview, no?
Exactly.
And this our reaction.
Michael has no kind of claps on. Oh yeah, what be a football movie? Be do share almost say lose points. Meaning football administrator be a protest here, no club for be seen honest our club no na nkasada.
Because so per se your team point.
Can no mo born training no mo ye na training na training ye 2 kwan ye kono. They would be copying no 3 points. Into the points, it's literally the lifeblood of football. It is out 2 points now. It sends a right signal to these people. Nemo nipa bia ya omadwen so mo mbedin se hunu akowo. O ka hwe ya omuntie. Subanfuna. I saw these people. Kaila match enyo mo match kro mbedin se hunu. You look at the quality of players that have come out from that region. Now, no, you need to tell them something. Maybe catch up with. Case number 1, where I say you drew an eye in Drew. Your yellow card and any yellow card. Thank you.
Morning, Yamenko.
Ocean near cost what Tamaleona. Your Sebi Nipebia or my phone. And nobody be cut out when this answer phone. I'll tell you small. Also, we be now by who say Tamale the Oba now. Or we be no more focus here they hard. The reason why I'm referencing that. police any RTU for omo said the sa nipa idwen no ye ne no omo ba nche be ka chese nkofo de sa no mo tienti no omo aka no ma anye careful omo be ye ntimo nye ntem na mo nko
di omo be ka kire mo no
yeah me say nye so be say me gina ho na make but you see the nipa ne kan so it makes some sense because one kono mu nyina ba to shells na obi bowa why na ko hu nipa kro is it bizarre why the ball match commissioner na mbo nipa kro
jabi
you could be say almost video near doctor nipa no sha white wo
oni Ghana
two coin
hey
into the community shields these perpetrators tintin nyina ne say maybe ayen free no e bo won ho ban mayen fa de we nye tamale nko a Kaila ball what is Zadema we busy tamale to ball on what is why busy but it's a section of RTU fans no mo yesa I mean football no they see emotions obitimi so you do at them anyhow you get my point but it's what it is ti say no na e ka kosi nyina ne say yempe kwan a e be fa so atu ya namon sen ne be ya sebi nipa omudi enyambra nsem say no let's not condone them tamale utu na oba the next region Savannah region bupe ufuri bupe abi rabunu east
techmai
and san wa abi ra Ashanti region and na bunu region IT baby e be omo kakra doma brekum enu e be omo kakra o
sunyane
doma brekum sunyane echim nsuatre
na ombetimi doma ko techmai
park no overly populated nipa ya ball park no so doso so na ufiri ho a ehe na de IT be ko yen konkonkonko IT be ba kwa Mitchell Sports Complex choto ne
abrankesi
o so obi akodi nsem hu na ho na de ne ba bofo aba ho
aduana ba
good sa
papa me da se ebre na nya so yamfa dwumade ni si aye Sompa 93.1 o hwe o Facebook ebeda ase adomdum ase etinkoma kina no pa no nkro bo ahye ne yamfa fana lab dwumade ni mro wote papa pokumpuka sasonate asarebodunka the sports messiah otene kamdia de Luther King nas adaroma no hye dwumade e ma ye de bro yes sorry na menu kasa fidie no emfa mfiri